Hello, so today I'm going to show you a second look at the programmable interrupt controller for my homemade 8088. You can see I've got my motherboard here. It's an 8088. It's an actual 8088 today, not a V20, running at 5 megahertz. We've got this set up here with our SPI adapter, our 1 megabyte of RAM, parallel card, and the programmable interrupt controller. And you can see I've removed the interrupt disable jumper. And I included these on the boards just so that when you're not using an interrupt controller, you can disable interrupts to prevent errors. Over here I got my breadboard. So what I've done is I've set the parallel as a bidirectional port on port A, so mode 2. And so we got these 8 wires on the bottom there coming off to the breadboard, and then I've got some signal wires going to port C. And all we got to do for an input, these are latched. So I'm selecting my value right here. This is the lowest bit, so it's going to be a 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, which comes out to be 42. And then I got a push button, which does not go to the interrupt controller. It goes to the parallel port to latch in these values. And then there's a wire that comes over here to the interrupt controller. And this is programmed to, same as yesterday, we've got our interrupt control words, and I've masked all but IRQ0. The only thing I've added is this to set up the 8255 as a bidirectional. You can see that's port 78B, which is the control register. And then my code for interrupt 9, yeah, it's interrupt 8. It's going to read port A, so 278, and then it's going to print that to the screen. So 42 is what we're sending it, which will be a B. So I've already booted it up. Here it is running. And I'm going to push my button. You can see there's a B. Now these are just printing to the screen. They're not going in the keyboard buffer, and DOS is not processing these. So we can actually still type like dir, and it only accepted dir. The B's were irrelevant. So let me show you. We'll change this. We're going to just increase the lowest bit to 1, which now will be a C. I'm going to push the button again. There's your C. So now the next step would be you could actually use a keyboard that goes into the parallel port now instead of with the Raspberry Pi. There's a second demo for you. If you have any questions, email me. Thanks.